Welcome to A Home to Love. My name is Delina. Today we're going to talk about some of my Amazon favorite products that I've purchased. Some I will have a small little short video giving you the whole assembly, how I used it kind of deal. Some I'm just going to show you that when I got it I was impressed, and especially with Black Friday, I know I'm a little late, going on to the 29th. Some of these have fantastic deals. So without further ado, let's spin the camera around and I'll show you around my favorite Amazon stuff. Discount code down in the description box. Don't miss it. So y'all know that when I find a product on Amazon, I like to share it with you. So I found this amazing storage system. I was looking to organize some of my camera equipment and possibly even using it out in the studio for all my Cricut and crafting supplies, and Flexy mount is, I fully was impressed when it came. In fact, I made a little video. I showed you how it came, how it was packaged, which was very, very nicely packaged and so you didn't have to worry about it breaking or anything. The assembly, a breeze. I mean, literally took me less than a minute to do the first bin, the second bin, same thing. And then they stack, or you could use them all spread out. So I'm going to show you how that works, and I'm going to show you some ideas to use those. So here's the box as it came to me from FedEx. Every bin is individually wrapped, and it came with the instructions right on the top. Very simple instructions, nothing too complicated. I looked at the instructions and I'm like, okay, I can do this. Super simple, no tools needed. Even even a child could put it together. So here I am putting it together in real time. I kid you not, it was so easy and so simple to do. And it is exceedingly sturdy. It is not a cheap plastic. It is a very thick plastic. And that was it. 1, 2, 3. I was done with the first bin. The doors open. They latch close, which is very impressed me as far as, a bin goes, that it opens from the front, and from the top if you wanted to. It has wheels on the bottom, so when you stack them, it glides across the floor. As you can see, there's a set of 3. These are the first 2, and then they stack, move along. Here it is, all 3 stacked together. It's a beautiful piece. Here's one used for the Flexi mount stackable bins. They fit perfectly into my closet. And to me, extra storage in the closet is a must. I could put shoes, I could put my pajamas, you name it, I could put it in these bins. They're aesthetically pleasing. I think it cleans it up. They're also enclosed, so I don't have to worry about things falling out. But I think that this is one of the best solutions, for me at least, for these bins. Opening. And for me, this is where some of my camera equipment will be going. Because as a YouTube creator, you always have a bunch of camera, tripods, microphones. It would be a makeshift pantry in a garage. You could use it for storing shoes, tools, paint. Really, these These bins are so versatile. Again, these are from Flexy M, and you can order them on Amazon, and I'll have the link in my description box. LED strip lights. I love these. I've used them in my kitchen. I've used them in my hutch. These are the continuous light. There's not the little dots. So they're not little dark areas along where you're trying to light up. This is one of my favorite things to purchase off of Amazon. And the link is in the description box. In my kitchen decorate with me video, I showed you this little twine holder. This is my twine. This is what comes with it. It's cast iron, and it has the scissors. And you put them right in there. And I think it's just the cutest thing. They come in different styles too, if you like that. Now, again, the link down in the description box. How I plan on using it, I have it here in my kitchen because I use it to cook with. The twine is butcher's twine. Would be a fabulous thing to put ribbon on it and use it on your crafting table when you wrap gifts this Christmas. So I would not pass on this one. It's a nice sturdy base, doesn't tip over. You can, I think it looks fabulous. I like that antique vintage vibe. This collapsible laundry basket. It pops out of the bottom. I can't do that one-handed, but you can see I can pop it. And I hang this on the side of my dryer. It takes up no extra space. I think it's probably one of the best things that I've bought for my laundry room. Here's a cloche that I bought off of Amazon. Now, this is a decent size. Most cloches that you find are exceedingly small and very deceiving. You have to really look in that description box. I've used it is I have put it on a plate from Dollar Tree. The base, a faux plant, and then I'm gonna pop. And I'm gonna use it in the hutch in the upcoming winter decoration. Thank you for watching, and I know it's just a short little pop-up video, a little extra, but I thought with the Amazon Black Friday going on, you might want to partake of these wonderful products. Next video coming out is the recipe one. You don't want to miss that one. And Friday is the home tour. See you then.